Yeah. With Goodie gang, I think it's day 24 of the weight loss. So we're back again. I'm weighing in at 230.8, so I'm slowly losing weight again. I don't know why it's taking so long. Like yesterday, I had a great workout. I did the cardio, and we did like a full body workout. Had my shake, and I didn't slack off on eating all night. We had chicken and rice after the workout. Then we had chicken and a cucumber, and I lost a little bit. So I mean, I'm not really that mad, but just cutting down to 215-ish is going to be a struggle, especially since it's the weekend again. And I'm probably going to get a pizza tonight, but pizza sounds pretty good. Well, I might be going on a hike tomorrow with the boys, Mark and Josh, and that will burn a ton of calories. I'll probably end up weighing like 215 or something, 15-pound cut. But nah, we'll see if that happens tomorrow. It's a little rainy here, so we're testing the waters on that right now. Today, good work day, and I laid down in bed after I showered after work. And guess what? I laid in there for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes, so we're behind schedule again. Who would have thought? But we gotta get back into it, go do another workout. I'll do another workout, drink my shake, do cardio, get a pizza, and then on the DayZ server, I'm playing with Nick S. They just did a rollback, a fresh start, so we're probably gonna run that server to the ground for tonight. And then hopefully I'll get some sleep for tomorrow. It's a big hike in the morning. It's like, if we do it, it's going to be a 2-hour drive to like some mountain or something. I don't really know. I'll probably end up passing out on the mountain, falling down it. But yeah, a big hike. Today's going good. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Making these shakes right now in the gym. I guess I'll probably do another full body workout. To be honest, I don't really have any motivation today to work out, but it doesn't really matter what I want, so we're gonna go work out. Yeah, I laid in bed and I was just like, man, I'm kind of tired, kind of sore, but job's gotta get done, so we're gonna do it and get those calories burnt because those heavier weights, someone's gotta polish them off, and I guess it's me. So we're making our citrulline creatine pre-workout shake. We got the cool fit on today. I love this shirt. I love the design. Thanks, Jim Sharp. And yeah, like I said, probably gonna pizza later because I'm just gonna kick it, relax. Probably won't lose any weight going in tomorrow, but tomorrow's a big cardio day. So I'm looking forward to that. And yeah, that should be about it for I don't even know, day 23 or 24. I look when I upload the video what day it is because I can't remember. There's too many things going on. The other channel's doing pretty well. I'm 44 subs away, which, slowly but surely, it's like a slow grind to 1,000. And it doesn't help that I check every day. If I check every week, it wouldn't be as bad, but I check it pretty much every couple hours to see if I have any more subs. And I don't want to delete that YouTube app off my phone, so I don't have to check it all the time. I only see it when I log on my computer, but I might have to if I keep checking it throughout the day because, it's just like if you check it all the time, it only goes up by 1 or 2, but you want to get it up quick. But if you check it weekly, it'll go up by 20, 25, and it's just like, damn, So I might remove it off my phone. But yeah, I guess it's the same with weight. If I weigh myself every day and not every end of the week, it's am I really making progress? But I like tracking it daily because I like the data. I'm a big data guy, so I have the data on my phone. I can export that to my computer, and then we can track everything, my weight graphs and everything. So I guess that'll be it for today. Hopefully you guys have a good day, and gonna go work out. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Maybe get some footage of the hike if we actually do go on the hike. I plan on filming a decent amount, a video of the views and everything, a video of the hike, see my struggle, All right, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and hopefully have a good Friday.